Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Admiralty Yacht Club number 5. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free Wi-Fi. Admiralty Yacht Club number 5 is located in North Fort Myers, within 29 miles of Bailey Matthews Shell Museum and 7 miles of Imaginarium Hands-On Museum and Aquarium. The property is around 24 miles from Fisherman's Village, 25 miles from Sanibel and Captiva Chamber of Commerce and Visitors Center and 27 miles from Sanibel Lighthouse. This pet-friendly hotel also has free Wi-Fi. At the hotel, rooms come with air conditioning, a desk, a patio with a lake view, a private bathroom, a TV, bed linen and towels. Each room includes a coffee machine, while some rooms include a kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge. At Admiralty Yacht Club number 5, every room includes a seating area. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.